Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync Google Sheet to your Google Calendar in 2025. In order to do that, first of all, you have to come on this Google Sheet and from there you have to uh, head over to extension and from there you have to hover on get add-ons. From there, you have to just simply click on the get add-ons. Now, in the search app, you have to enter the to sheet to calendar. As you can see here, just simply click on and it will give you this uh, thing and you have to choose first one. Now just click on the install. It will ask you to verify. Just simply give the email address, choose an account, give the all the permission he wants, allow, and here we go. This extension is installed in your spreadsheet, which just simply click on the done and remove this and go again and choose manage add-ons. From here you have to just simply click over here. As you can see here, the sheet add-on is installed in our uh, Google Sheet. Go in the add-on extension and as you can see here, you can just simply import calendar to sheet and export sheet to calendar. So this is how you can sync Google Sheet to the Google Calendar.